Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about how HCL is formed in the stomach, the mechanism and the procedures which takes place in the formation of the HCL. Now, we have got three layers, the ICF, intracellular fluid, and then our parietal cell, and then the cananucleus. Cananucleus is nothing but, if this is a gland, if this is a gastric gland, and there it has got lumens, and that lumen part is called as cananucleus. Now, talking about the parietal cell. Now, the first step in the formation of the HCL, it is that in the parietal cell there is water. The water is split into H plus and OH minus. This is the first step. Okay, no problem. Parietal cell, inside the parietal cell there will be water, and that water will be split into OH and H plus. Now what happens is that in the cananuclei, when we take food, there is obviously potassium. So here a magic happens. There is an ATPase for hydrogen and potassium pump. So the potassium, it will go inside, the hydrogen, it will move outside, and this is an active process. Okay, so the hydrogen will be outside in our cananucleus, and this is our second step, the key step in the whole process. Now this potassium, what we do, there will be again another pump, that is our normal sodium potassium pump. So here the potassium will come in, and the sodium will go out, and this is done by ATP, of course. But this potassium, it will go out of the lumen, but it will again be reabsorbed during this pump. Okay, this process, there will be sodium potassium pump. Potassium will come inside the parietal cell, it will be released out due to this concentration gradient, but it will be again reabsorbed due to this potassium hydrogen pump. This is the third step. Now the next step is that, okay, now the hydrogen, it is released outside, and potassium, it is also getting reabsorbed, and so since the sodium, it is going out of this parietal cell, sodium from the cananucleus, it is always reabsorbed, and so it participates in sodium potassium pump. So mostly the sodiums are reabsorbed. So from here it's clear that our potassium and the sodium, they are mostly reabsorbed from the cananuclei, and only hydrogens are released. And then next step that includes, now since the hydrogens are released outside, the OH remains only there. So this reacts with the carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide, it may come from the blood, or it is formed during metabolism inside the parietal cell itself, and forming the bicarbonate. So this bicarbonate, it will also undergo pump with chloride. So this bicarbonate, and the chloride, they will also undergo ATP pump. So chloride bicarbonate pump. So in the ICF, now we are left with bicarbonate, and this chloride, it will go out of the cell through chloride channel and will come here in the canal nucleus. So together they will combine, hydrogen and chloride, they will combine together and they will form our HCl. Now also, since there are lots of ions and present in the canal nucleus, so the water from the ICF will go out to the canal nucleus through osmosis. And that's how our canal nucleus will then have hydrochloric acid and some of the potassium chloride and some of the sodium chloride and water. And that's it. Thank you. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.